In this video, part of our Rock Like the Pros 10-day beginning practice and technique challenge, this one is the GranDaddy. This technique, this exercise, this warm-up is one of the most important exercises that you need to know. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and great job for sticking with this 10-day beginning practice and technique challenge. I'm proud of you for your commitment to yourself and the Rock Like the Pros community. This is going to be a really important video exercise to get down and understand because we're going to be using all 4 of our fingers. If you want to have a chance to win the Cordoba, that's right, the Cordoba C1 Protege C1 guitar, click that link below. Go sign up. You're going to get all the information you need to know about that, such as subscribing right here to Rock Like the Pros, subscribing over at the Cordoba YouTube page, and then at least posting one. That's right, at least one video over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. So you got all that stuff. And then we do have the VIP option as well, where we're giving away a second. That's right, a second guitar, Mini 2 EBCE. That one's really cool. Spruce top, cutaway, pickup. That's only for the VIPs, but they also get the PDFs, the tabs, the backing tracks, access to the private Zoom calls with me, and lifetime access to all this material. So very, very cool. Become a VIP. You're going to love it. Trust me, you're going to love that. And then even now, if you're just digging what we've been doing in this and you know that you're going to want to continue after this first phase here, this beginning part, we're going to have a level 2 and intermediate practice and technique challenge. And we're going to actually have early bird special right now. So we're going to put a link to that below as well. So, hey, a lot of stuff to go over before we get to the video, but that's it. Let me show you exactly what we're going to be learning, and then I'll break it down for you. Woo! All right, we're going to leave it right there on that one. This is, first of all, we're not going to go that fast. We're going to go really nice and slow. There's really no need to go that fast. I don't even know why I went that fast, but we're going to break it down nice and slow for you and do it just at a nice medium tempo for you. But as you can see, it's going to work on all 4 of our fingers, index, middle, ring, and the pinky, and this is really going to be a fantastic exercise as we move up and down the strings and also up the neck as well. Now, I brought out my Les Paul for this one, and even though normally I have my Terry Carter strap, I had to keep this strap on. This is part of the Jimi Hendrix straps that I have over at the #1 store, which is store.rocklikethepros.com. These are Dunlop straps, but straps, guitars, picks, everything you need is over there. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? This one is just really important, really important. So let me just show you what we're doing. First string, first fret. Oh, let me get a little volume. There we go. All right. And then second, on the second fret, third, and then pinky. It may seem simple. Do not oversimplify this. Oh, that's easy. I'm ready to move on to the next one. No. This is really, really important. As you're doing this, I want you to keep all those fingers down. Don't lift them up. So by the time you get to the pinky, all your other fingers should still be down. All right, then you're going to simply move up to the second string. Third string. Same pattern. 4th string. First finger, second finger, third finger, 4th finger, then up to the 5th string. And then 6th string. Oh, yeah, getting a little rumble here. I love the bass notes. I'm using a pick. I'm using alternate picking for this. You could use your thumb. You could do alternate fingers as well as if you want to play on your acoustic guitar, your steel string, or your nylon string. It doesn't matter. You don't have to have electric for this one. All right, so we just finished up here on the 6th string. All we're going to do is simply slide up to the 2nd fret and do the same thing. So now it's on the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret. No, so I'm still keeping all those fingers down. Now moving down, 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and Right, we're not done. I'm going to show you how to go up, and I'm also going to do one like advanced idea. So if you feel like you got this, I'm going to step it up a level here just in a second. All right, so we just finished here on the 4th finger on the 5th fret. We're just going to slide up to the 3rd fret. Do the same pattern. Now up on the 3rd fret, 4, 5, 6, 3rd string. Just do it with me here, just nice and relaxed. We'll bring in the backing track in a minute. 5, 6 string. All right, don't worry, just keep going. Now slide it up to the 4th fret now, do the same thing. Move it down. Just do it with me here. Nice and control, nice, easy chord notes here. Now 1st string, we're almost done. Now we're going to slide up one more time. This will be your last fret here. So we're just going to stop this one here. We're going to do the 5th fret, 6, 7, 8, and then up all the strings though. No need for vibrato. Don't need that. Just nice and clean notes. And then we're going to finish right here. Right there, so your last note, when we do it with the backing track, will be here on the 8th fret. All right, I told you I'm going to step it up a level, right? So if you want to take your playing up and really build more strength, and trust me, this does really build strength. I remember when I first learned it, it was like really tough. It's easier now as I've been doing it for a long time, but it's really cool. So go back to the beginning here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the same, but here's where it changes. When you go up to the next string, keep these fingers down on the 1st string and only move the finger up that you need for the next note, all right? Then same thing when you go to the 3rd string, 1st finger only, 2nd finger, 3rd, 4th. Do the same thing. All right, this is really gonna require a lot of strength on your part. You can do it nice and slow. And then 6th string. What that's going to make you do is not only build the strength, but make sure that you're playing on the fingertips. That way you're getting clear notes. That was on the way up. Now, when you slide up here to the 2nd fret, do the same thing here. All right, when you go down to the 5th string, you do exactly the same thing. So only move your 1st finger down, 2nd finger, 3rd, 4th, one at a time here. See what happens. That's what's going to happen. If this pinky or one of the fingers is not playing on your fingertips, you're not rounded here, you're going to get that note. So you got to get it, play it so you get that clear note. All right, and that's hard to do. All right, it's hard for me. It's hard for you too, but it's a really great way to step up this exercise. All right, are you ready? Let's go ahead now. We're going to do this from the beginning all the way up to the 5th fret with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, how did you do on that one? Whew, this is hard for me as well. I was trying to do that harder version by keeping all those fingers down, and it's definitely more challenging when you're coming down the strings. But leave that comment 1 to 5 below. And were you doing a more difficult one, or are you doing the easy version? Either way, this is a fantastic exercise. That was a medium backing track, 120. We have slow backing tracks. We have fast backing tracks. If you need the tabs or anything, that's all available to the VIP. Peace. Also, don't forget, you got to post a video over at the Rock Like the Pros forum and just become part of that community that is over there. It's absolutely fantastic. There's great people just like you over there. All right, keep this one handy. Use this one. You're going to not only use this one, and then there's a bunch of variations that you can do as well. I'm going to show you a couple of those as we move on. But just keep this one in your warm-up. You're going to have, notice at least, a lot of increased strength, dexterity, speed, all that kind of stuff just with this one right here. So that's going to do it. Great job. Stick with this. Keep going, and we'll see you in the next one.